when you hit this randomize, look at this. Hi there. Today I want to show you a really cool plugin, and it's called Phuze. Phuze is released by a company, it's called Soundmorph. I've been a big fan of the Soundmorph for a very, very long time, and I've been buying the libraries for long as they probably exist. But recently, Soundmorph started releasing more plugins, and a few days ago, I received a message from Jason, who's the founder of the company. I said, Robert, we have a new plugin, it's called Phuze. Would you like to check out? And I said, yeah, send it in. So I called him next day and I said, Jason, I think it's really cool, and I really believe my audience will benefit from check this thing plugin and take a maybe a little bit deeper look, and maybe I can show them the way how I'm using, because how often do we getting sound design instrumental plugin designed by sound designers for us, for sound designers? That's not happen very often. There it's either Boom Library who can release something like this, or Soundmorph. Pretty much that's it. Once a while someone has come in, but not in the scale like this one. And I really believe sound designers, we think a little bit different than typical engineers, people who programming EQs and compression, because almost every day there is new compression, new EQ coming to the market. And how many do we need them actually? You know, you need a lot of them. You need one, but the good one, what you're gonna learn how to use. But tools like Phuze, it's a very creative tool. So if you already have some of you sound recordings and you want to start processing them and get like really cool, interesting results, or be very creative with them, Phuze will be the software and instruments what will help you. So guys, let me jump right now to the plugin and just show you what Phuze is and what you can do, because I'm really excited and I think you really gonna like what I have to show you. So as you see, this is Phuze. Right on top, you see something cool. I like this. It's plus minus. If you click plus, you can make bigger screen. Okay, minus is a little bit smaller, and it's fine for me. And interface, it's very simple. Right here, you have your play button when you load your samples. If you're gonna click right here, this will be controlling your sounds by triggering keyboard. So if you have a keyboard, you can hit the keys, and it's just only gonna activate one sample, whatever the sound is. Or you can hit play, and it's gonna play automatically all the sounds you're gonna load this. The next thing right here, that's your browser, when there is a lot of preset designed by Jason and every other sound designers who's doing this thing. So when you load like a first plugin, all you have to do, either hit the key, and we have a really cool sound. But where the fun starting happen, when you hit this randomize, look at this. It's automatically play other sounds and play you different variation of this sound. So the Phuze come not only with this presets, also come with a lot sounds. I don't know how many the guys include sounds, but there's over 1 gigabyte of samples if you're planning, maybe check this software. And if you know, if we talk about 1 giga and we talk about like a short snapshots of the samples, there is a lot of sounds. So guys, definitely check, worth it. But not only that, you can also import your own samples, and I can show you what you can do with this thing. But let's just go from now, and let's just give you a little feel of the vibe, what you can do with the Phuze, and just give you a quick overview with this thing. I don't want to go too quick into details, go over everything, because there's already tutorials and overview of the videos. I want to show you how I use it, what impressed me and what grabbed my attention. So let's go to like Atmos and pick up like, I have no idea what's this, but let's hit the key. And it's pretty cool atmosphere. So you want to have different variation. Remember, all you have to do, and we have something completely different. Now, let's go quickly over the overview of the interface right here, because it's really cool. As you see, you can have 12 banks and you can load 12 different samples. So example, you can hit the sound and look at this. Let's go right here and the front page, where this is the global control of all these effects together. Right here, you can go to each individual bank. So you have A, B, C, D banks. You have 1, B, C, D, and all of this control will be control each of the individual sounds when you're going right here. Now you can control your low sounds right here. You can switch medium, same process, and high, same process. How I say, this is for the people if you really nerd and you want to go through like every single details. For me, time is sometimes money, you know, and I have to work fast. So I will skip this thing and just go right here to the global. And global is the one thing when you move the one knob and it's basically changing everything. If I'm going to start, I can go right now start and I can move the start of the sample. Let's run the beginning. And I can extend the samples. I can do attack, control, and you can change the release. And hit randomize. And you can control all these sounds. So now, I want to show you something, how you can play really cool the EQ too. As you see right now, you can play with the frequencies. And you can basically shape the tone of you want. So now, another cool thing what I want to show you, if I go right here, I can go and add example like shimmer, reverb. And this is what's going on right now. It has become like very landscape, massive, huge sounds. And this is one of the way how I'm using shimmer. I can go a little more nuts because shimmer have signature sounds I wanted this thing out. But my favorite reverb, and I know you guys ask me a lot, what is reverb what I'm using in my sounds a lot of times. And it's this basic thing, well, what's come with the Steinberg Revelation, and it's fantastic. And I have like one of the presets right here. It's called the Cathedral Dark. And right now it's mixed. What I do, I usually go just a little bit. And the sound just become more depth, more cinematic vibe. Like, let's go to the next preset and just check it. See, like right here, the little electric bass. Can just take it down. And let's maybe move to start and begin. See how cool, very easy. So you can creating like really cool tonal atmospheres if you're video composer or normal composer for any music or TV shows. This is great element. So this is how I will be use the sounds what's come inside. But now I want to show you how easy it's basically just to add your own sounds. So basically you can go like right here and let's go this bank. And we're in the low, so I can go right here. All you have to do, go to your sounds and it will accept 64 sounds and each bank. So you can drag them in, and if you drag more than 64, it's only going to accept 64. So we change this one. Now let's go to the same thing with medium. Let's drop them again here. And let's go to the high. And again, you can hit the shuffle for the randomize, and you can get completely new sounds right now. Sounds really cool. And if you want to play with pitch, you can always slow them down. So it's really cool thing, guys. There's really not much to show and Phuze because it's very simple plugin, very powerful, loaded with a lot of sounds, and you can be very creative, and you can creating your next soundtrack or your video game or whatever you're working on, or you just want to have fun with your own sounds and creating something good. So Phuze will be the very creative tool that's going to help you. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.